Is InstallShield reporting the Issetup Library DLL is missing? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. I've identified the library gap and have the professional fix ready. Avoid long manual edits for Issetup Library by using the suggested repair utility in the description. This is the Issetup Library, the InstallShield Setup engine core. It manages the localized orchestration of software installations, including localized binary extraction and localized registry-hive creation. Corruption leads to setup initialization failed errors. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. This issue indicates a structural problem within InstallShield's installation. Reinstall the latest version of InstallShield from the official site to restore Issetup Library DLL safely and ensure all registry links are updated. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Issetup library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. Manual intervention with Issetup Library DLL is technically dangerous because it risks overriding newer, secure system libraries with older vulnerable versions that lack modern security patches. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. If you're exploring professional monitoring options, the software linked below provides general diagnostic information for Issetup Library. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for Issetup Library, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.